Namaste friends and welcome back to Ankita Nirpaje's YouTube channel. So, last week Taukte cyclone hit the coastal areas of Karnataka and due to its effect it heavily rained like rainy days for last week. So the weather was cool and aesthetic, so I thought of shooting a vlog like nature, showing you the nature, what I did, what did I read, etc. These are all covered in this short vlog, and I have also added a glimpse of DIY bookmark which I did today. So watch till the end. Hope you enjoy. Now it is the time to read, sitting in this comfortable easy chair which I love the most, and these are the two books I have opted to read. First one is Castle of Water by Dane Huckelbridge, and the second one is The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma. You might have already heard about The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. It is a bestseller non-fiction book which was gifted to me. So I am only into halfway through this book, but I am really enjoying it. Also, I noted few points so that I can refer to it again. Castle of Water is a story about a plane with only 3 passengers and a pilot which gets crashed, and the only survivors are an American trader named Barry Bleecker and a French architect named Sophie Dussel. So, how do they survive in an island? How will they make their home a cash? Before reading it, I had no idea about the book. I only bought it because of its pretty cover. I finished reading this book last Friday. I pretty much enjoyed it, and I have to say this book didn't disappoint me and really loved reading this book. It is also available on Amazon, I guess. Do check it out if you are interested. I may complete reading The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari tonight. Stay tuned for further bookish updates. Now, if you have many books but very little bookmarks, or if you don't have one, don't worry. I will show you how to make a DIY bookmark. Simply using an old invitation card. I have taken a small invitation card and cut it into 2 pieces using this blade. Like this. Which makes us 2 bookmarks. But when it comes to painting or an art, I am very basic and childish in it. Please don't think otherwise. I am painting the written side of the bookmark now so that I cannot see it. Also paint the other side of the bookmark, or you also can write a favorite quote or something. I have painted simply. So this is the front side and back side looks like this. Within minutes your bookmark will be ready. A useful hack, isn't it? Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to like and share with your friends and also comment down below. If you have not subscribed already, do subscribe. Thank you.